I think CG is unique in that the culture is just so motivating. It really has an entrepreneurial type spirit.
I think the leadership team has created an organization that really values feedback, and what they've done is align themselves with the success of the client.
All of the resources available to us really come together to allow us to do what's most important in our practice, which is to spend time with our clients and make sure that they get the outcomes that they deserve.
You know, we're not a bank, and I think we're proud of that in the sense that, you know, we're not trying to fit everybody into a box, so to speak.
We sit on the front lines with clients day in and day out, so we really understand what they're looking for from us. And that means the ability for us to communicate that to the management team and really have that listened to and responded to and acted upon is incredibly important as advisors, because that means we're able to structure our business and deliver to clients exactly what it is that they're looking for.
CG really puts clients' needs first. They really encourage us to find solutions so that we can best advise our clients in any situation.
The portfolio management technology we have to the reporting technology we have, it's state of the art. It allows us to customize a solution for every client, no matter what the client's objectives are. And that really comes through as an exceptional service that no one can compete with.
The biggest difference for me is the access to people and the access to knowledge. So if I need to talk to our CEO or our back office, I can pick up the phone and know that they're going to call me back right away.
The global strategists here at CG are probably the best that we've worked with in our career.